Hello, hello, everyone. This is Mr. Jamel here doing our Good Morning Farm game recording. I hope you all are well. So this is our Good Morning Farm game. You all, I'm sure, have it. If you don't have it, it's on its way. And our Good Morning Farm game, there's a couple of things that you should know. We are really, really big on representation. And so as you look on the box, you will see kiddos and families of all different walks of life, all different sorts of ethnicities and family units, because that's just who we are. And you also see that our skills at play are always on our box as well. And so the skills at play here are adding, subtracting, and quantifying. And then you look on the other side and you see our goals. So this game will teach your child how to add and subtract numbers up to 10. There we go. Okay, so in your box, you can find a bunch of different amazing things, okay? So let's go through all that you will find in the box. So you will see a spinner, because who doesn't love a good spinner? You will also see farm animals in the game. You will see a plus and minus die for us to roll. Alrighty. You will also see a couple of different things that help our farm animals take a nap or wake up. And they are our mats. So remember, there are 3 portions of our game: our seed, our sprout, and our bloom. Okay. So our mats, first, our yellow mat, which is our seed mat for our farm animals, which has our barns in it. So our seed mat, which is our first level of the game. Our sprout mat, which is our blue, which is our second level of the game. And then our bloom mat, which is our purple level of the game. Okay, so we have our seed, our sprout, and our bloom mats. And then, of course, we have our instructions. We also have our number cards, and we will use this as we go a little deeper into the game as well, okay? So here we go. We have our instructions. First, what our instructions tell us to do are explore. So you're always going to allow the child to explore no matter what, right? Let them touch, let them feel all the amazing portions of the game, as y'all can see, right? Without any instruction, just kind of let them touch and feel and explore. And then what we're going to do is, per the instructions, you'll work together to help the farm animals take a nap. Choose the yellow mat. So we're going to look at our yellow mat, which we have right here. Okay. We're going to use our yellow mat. Place all the farm animals in the pen. Spin to decide how many farm animals to add to your barn. Take turns if there are multiple farm players. Okay. So first you're going to use your spinner. This is in that first level. Your spinner and your farm animals. So we're going to put the other things to the side. We're going to use our spinner and our farm animals. So we put them in the middle of our mat, right? And we take our spinner and we spin, because we are trying to figure out how many farm animals are going to go night-night, okay? So spin it. Oh my goodness, until the barns are full. So we have 1. So we're going to count. We're going to put 1. We have 1 farm animal, right? That is gone to take a nap. So imagine them being out and about here in the field, and then we spin and they go take a nap. And we spin again. Whoop. Now another 1, which now is 2 farm animals are napping. Then we're going to spin. Oh, 0. So 0 farm animals are taking a nap. We spin again. 2. So we add 1, 2, okay? And we keep spinning until all of the farm animals or all of the barns are full with farm animals taking a nap, okay? Again, we're going to talk about how many spaces are left of the barn. So if there are 4 farm animals in this barn, how many spaces are left? 1 space is left. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. With 1 space left. So we have to add 1 more farm animal there to fill all of our spaces on this side. Now, next, we are going to look at our sprout. Now for this level, we are going to use our spinner again, okay? And we're going to use our farm animals again. So this level, of course, we're going to let the child explore. Then you will work together to let the farm animals out to play. Choose the blue mat. Okay, so we have this blue mat. We're going to place 5 farm animals in the barn. So this time, the farm animals start in the barn. So let's place 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now if we're playing for one person, let's just turn this on over like this. That way we only have one barn there because it's just me playing. 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it's just one person, we're going to spin and we're going to subtract now. So first in our seed, we did adding. Now we're going to do subtracting. Oops, spin it. Okay, 2. So we're going to subtract 2 animals from our barn. So 1, 2. Look at that, okay? So we're going to subtract 2 animals from our barn, and then we're going to take turns. If we have 2 players, right here we just have 1. And then we're going to talk about how many spaces are left in the barn, okay? So if we subtract 2, right, from here, and we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 farm animals still in the barn, and we have 2 spaces that are free, where there's no farm animals in the barn. If we were to spin it again, we're going to subtract 2 more. So 1, 2. That means there's only 1 more space left in the barn. Now we're going to do our bloom level. Now on our bloom level, we're going to work together to let the farm animals out to play. Okay, so we're going to let them out to play again. That means that they must be in their barns. Okay, so we're going to choose the purple mat, place 5 farm animals in the barn. So we're going to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals in the barn, okay? Roll the dice and pick a card to decide how many farm animals to add or subtract. So this is where we're going to use our cards, okay? And we're going to use our dice, our adding and subtracting dice. Remember I told you before that we would use these? We're going to put our other farm animals out there playing, okay? So roll the dice. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. We're going to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 5 more animals went to sleep. And we're going to talk about how many spaces are left in the barn. Keep playing until all the barn is empty, okay? So we got that. So maybe we need to roll it again, right? And we find ourselves subtracting. So we're going to put our cards here. We're going to figure out how many we're going to subtract. 2. So we're going to take 1, 2. So when we're subtracting, they're going back out to play. So we have 2 going back out to play. We have 2 spaces that are empty. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spaces that are full. So we have 8 napping, and we have 2 that are out playing. Okay, that is our seed, our sprout, and our bloom. Again, if you look on our instructions, it'll tell you which is needed for which material is needed for the seed, the sprout, and the bloom game. And that is our Good Morning Farm.